So let me show you how to customize the lock screen on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. So you can actually do that by either long pressing on the lock screen and then tapping on customize lock screen, or you can go into settings and then go to personalization and then lock style. Either way, it's going to take you to the lock screen editor. So from here, what you want to do is select the lock screen style that you want. Okay, so there are all these plenty of styles that you can choose from. So I'm gonna pick this one, for instance, and then you can just tap on customize, and then now you can customize the widgets. So you have the date time widget, so you can choose how that looks like. So for instance, I can choose that one or even this one, okay, depending on what you want really. Then you can come to the clock, and then you can change the clock style. You have plenty of clock styles here that you can choose from. Okay, so choose the one you want. You can even go for a big clock like that. And then also you can go to the font and change the font, adjust some stuff about the font. You can change the colors, the gradients, all that stuff. Depending on what style you've chosen, you have plenty of options. Anyway, once you're done with all that, you can also change the wallpaper if you want to. You can change effects. For some wallpapers, you can be able to change the depth. And then once you're happy with everything, tap on apply, and that's going to be your new lock screen style. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.